Next detrimental effect of fasting is that it increases toxins in the body. The fats released during fasting will be mostly polyunsaturated fatty acids, also known as PUFA, which is an acronym. PUFA break down into toxic metabolites in the body, one of which is called prostaglandins and is critical for the formation of cancer. Now on the screen I have a diagram. If you're watching you can see it, but if you are listening to the podcast you cannot see it. You might want to check this one out later. I'll give you a link to the show notes at the end of the show, so stick around for that. But basically we're looking at arachidonate, which is also arachidonic acid, which is omega-6. So this is your so-called essential fatty acid, omega-6. And it shows the two pathways of the metabolites that it can break down into. One is a class called leukotrienes, and the other is prostaglandins, both of which are highly toxic. And these fragments tend to promote stress even more, which causes this vicious cycle where the body can't get out of stress. And that's when aging and degeneration begin. An interesting thing to note is that the older you are, the more PUFA will be in your tissues and the more dangerous fasting and stress overall becomes. Hey, it's Mark. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and definitely hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos when they come out. Also be sure to pick up my 3 free ebooks, one on chemotherapy, the other on sodium bicarbonate for cancer and other diseases, and a red light therapy dose guide by clicking the link in the description below. Last but not least, check out one more video on my channel right here, and I will see you in the next one.